I recently visited the Orsay Museum in Paris to look at, of all things, Art Nouveau furniture. Granted, a somewhat esoteric thing to do. Later, as I was searching for background on some of the pieces I saw, I fell into the rabbit hole that is the Orsay Museum's digital archives. This place is nothing but bright, shiny objects designed to distract and split my focus. One of the things that captivated me were these photographic portraits from the end of the 19th century. Photography had been around for a while by then, and by the late 1800s, sitting for a portrait was one way you could demonstrate status, highlight your craft, or even show off the latest fashion. I got to thinking, what would these photos look like if I restored them? I repaired the definition and contrast, and used Photoshop's neural filter to start the colorization process. Then I cleaned things up a bit. Better, but let's use AI to bring these photos to life. I have to admit, I'm a bit charmed by these little imaginary moments from lives long ago.